In an interview with News Central Television, former Nigerian President Olusegun Obasanjo has shed light on Nigeria's financial trajectory since its independence ended in 2007. Obasanjo outlined the severe difference between Nigeria's financial position during his tenure and the present day. The former president detailed how his administration inherited a substantial debt burden of approximately $36 billion in 1999, which they successfully reduced to roughly $3.5 billion by 2007. When Obasanjo assumed office in 1999, Nigeria's foreign reserves stood at $3.7 billion, with $3.5 billion allocated annually for debt servicing. However, by the end of his 8-year tenure, his administration had achieved a remarkable turnaround. The former president revealed that he left office with the nation's coffers holding approximately $70 billion. The sum included $45 billion in foreign reserves and an additional $25 billion in what was known as excess crude accounts, funds accumulated from conservative oil pricing budgeting. In a notable comparison to the present situation, Obasanjo expressed concerns that not only have these substantial savings have been exhausted since 2007, but Nigeria's current debt burden exceeds the levels his administration inherited in 1999. These revelations comes amid ongoing discussions about Nigeria's current economic challenges and debt management strategies. Stay informed with news updates at NaijaNews TV.